As a leader, if you want to avoid criticism, the recipe is, well, it's pretty simple. Don't do anything and don't say anything. But the problem with this is that you won't become anything and your career is going to go nowhere. So we need a different approach. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. I want to thank today's video sponsor, Connect Team, but more on them in a second. Let's talk about something that, I'm guessing because you clicked on this video, is going to be something that plagues a lot of us, the fear of criticism. Honestly, it's absolutely understandable. No one likes being called out or judged, especially when it comes to our work and our careers. But here's the thing. If we always play it safe, we're really not going to reach our full potential. We might avoid negative feedback, but we'll also miss out on so many opportunities to innovate and to flourish. Being a successful leader takes guts. It takes courage to take the risks, and it takes some bold moves. When you're striving for success, there's always, trust me, there's always going to be criticism, and that's okay. Don't let the fear of criticism hold you back from achieving your goals. Visualize your success and believe in your abilities. You need to start to trust in your decisions and know that sometimes taking the road less traveled is what sets you and your team apart. Criticism will come, but it's how you handle it that will define you as a leader. And let's face it, criticism, it can sometimes be tough to swallow. It's easy to feel defensive and want to ignore the negative feedback altogether. But if you, as a leader, as a manager, if you truly want to succeed, it's important to acknowledge criticism in a positive light. Accept that not every project or idea you propose is going to be a hit, a home run. Recognize that feedback, even if it stings a little bit, it can absolutely help you improve. So instead of pushing criticism to the side, take a deep breath. Listen to what others have said or are saying and use it as an opportunity to become better at what you do. Now, let's talk about taking on the responsibility, because it can be tempting to pass the buck when something goes wrong, but it's very important for you to resist that urge. Instead, own up to the mistakes and apologize if necessary. It can be tough to admit when we've messed up, but it is the responsible thing to do. And here's the good news. Those mistakes can actually be the greatest learning experiences of your career. By acknowledging what went wrong, we're able to figure out how to do it better next time. When you see a manager or somebody leading a team and you're like, why are they always right? It's because they've been wrong. And understand, everyone, even the greats, have experienced failure at some point in their life. Yes, it can definitely be a tough pill to swallow, but it's absolutely necessary in order to grow. As leaders, it's even more crucial that we learn from our mistakes. When things don't go as planned, it's tempting to sit and to dwell on the negative and just beat ourselves up. But I'm telling you, it's essential that we shift our focus to what we can learn from the situation. Because by doing so, we can then figure out what went wrong. We can analyze the factors that contributed to the failure, and then we can use this knowledge to make a better decision next time. We both know that being a leader is more than just telling people what to do. It's about being an example that your colleagues can look up to and that your colleagues can follow. Now, let me just ask you a question here. Are you tired of the chaos that comes with managing your non-desk employees? Today's video sponsor, Connect Team, can help you with that. With Connect Team, you can say goodbye to all the stress and hassle of handling day-to-day tasks. Connect Team is the ultimate all-in-one employee management app. With this app, everything you need to effectively handle your employees is right at your fingertips, from task management, scheduling, and even handling time off requests. But Connect Team doesn't just improve your efficiency. It also boosts professionalism and productivity amongst your employees. Everyone knows exactly what they need to do and exactly when they need to do it. Plus, your team will have all the tools they need right at their fingertips, like literally on their mobile device, to get the job done. And as a manager, this means No more endless phone calls and text messages. With Connect Team, everything is clear, structured, and organized, eliminating the need for a constant back and forth. And the best part? You'll receive instant notifications when tasks are completed, saving you precious time that would have otherwise been spent chasing your employees. If you use the link in the description below, you can use the app for 14 days absolutely free. And if you have 10 or less employees, you can use it for free as long as you need. Now, one of the most important qualities for a leader is to have humility. By showing humility in your interactions with your colleagues, you're creating a safe and supportive work environment where people feel comfortable sharing their thoughts, their ideas, and yes, their criticisms. It's also important to be trustworthy and respectful, no matter the rank or title of the person you're talking to or the criticism that comes from them. By doing this, you're going to foster a culture of mutual respect and open communication. And do not be afraid to seek out opinions, to ask for feedback before making decisions. Listening to the criticism intently and encouraging others to speak out is going to ensure that problems are addressed quickly and efficiently. So now, all that's being said, the question still remains. What's the best way to handle criticism? I believe the answer lies in having thicker skin as a leader and being able to take constructive feedback. Having the understanding that not everyone agrees with your decisions, and make sure that you give room for others to have opinions on things. And most importantly, learn from each criticism that you receive and use it as part of your growth. Becoming more resilient now as a new manager, you get to take control of any situation without giving up or losing sight of your goals. Also, taking all the information into consideration without judgment or personal belief about it is the key to leading with confidence. Part of leading with confidence is speaking with confidence. So in this video, I share 5 tips on how to be more articulate and well-spoken. So get your coffee. See you there.